so hard to do this
I know.
with a mask on.
You know what? You could sit there. Let me show you. You could sit right here with everything, and you could pull it down. We're far away from it.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, out of the way. Let me get this out of the way.
Can I move it here? No.
Right here.
Okay. No. Yeah, this is. I like this one so far.
Yes. Listen up.
These are different.
That's cute.
Yeah, these are different. I never had anything like this. This is a possibility.
Let me see that again. That's nice. I'll take one of that.
Yeah, this is different. So,
I don't want to run. I want to run it.
Hello.
Oh, great. Thank you, my baby.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
yeah, this doesn't do anything for me.
Thank you. Help you.
Ooh.
That's nice. You like that one?
The spotty one? Yeah, me too. So this is a, nah.
Okay, what's the patient's name?
Yeah, this is looking like it.
You see that?
No, I can't recollect that I even saw the name.
That's nice. But that one, that's the one?
Yeah. You gotta put that over there because they want to clean it when they're done. That's why she gave me a tray. They clean it when it's done. So whatever you try.
I like this. Let's see. I like it.
Okay.
I'll have to pay for this out of pocket. I'll have to pay for this out of pocket.
Yeah.
The only reason why I'm not thinking about these is because I have one similar to this already.
Anything
So,
you try on.
Yeah, my daughter just
Pointless.
told me.
Yeah, anything. Make yourself at home. Thank you, my
So
darling.
this 30% off then.
Yeah, and then whatever, they get a complete 30% off, frame and lenses.
So this is looking like a winner. It's different and I have nothing like this. It's kind of fun. It's fun. What is he trying on over there, woman?
This is what I like. This is the one.
This is
The one with them round glasses there.
this guy.
I've been seeing them on some people.
So yeah,
If I have to send it to him,
this is the winner.
how much?
Y'all let me know if y'all like it. It don't matter because by the time you see this, I already selected it. Alright.
The white one, the clear one, or
No, this is the pearl.
the clear one, the nice one, different.
Yeah, but the only reason why I have,
Something here too.
yeah, I have, like, I really like these too.
Let me see. That's the one I'm talking.
Hello?
But I
You
have
have something.
yeah, I have something like it already, so it's like getting the same glasses again.
So get the other one.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the other one. It's different.
So,
I don't have anything like it.
no warranty on.
You took a picture and you got it?
Did you just take a picture of me?
I did not take a picture, but I did have you recorded. So, what do you guys think?
And it's not bad. 30% off is 2 something.
Alright, so.
Yep.
That's it. But look at me. You think oh no, they do look nice on you. But you could get away with so many different frames. I can't. But these are cute. Alright.
Hello?
Go ahead, let me snap a picture of you because I know. Alright.
What do you gotta do with me?
They probably gotta get examined. So they know what frame to put in.
Yes, ma'am. The best thing would be to get examined. Make sure your prescription's up to date.
Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I started this vlog backwards because I started the glasses and I remember I didn't do an intro. So forgive me for no intro. But we got a glasses situation. I have to go back next week to pick it up. And then we're gonna go to Michael's because it's gonna snow. And we're not coming back out the house till next week. So I'm out here with my mother who is not happy about bundling up. her coat is too heavy, but she's warm. Nothing to say, mother?
I want some sun.
She said what?
Coconut
She's not happy because the plan was this year to be in Jamaica for the holidays and for winter for her. And y'all know what happened this year. And we cannot go. So we have to deal with this cold weather that really sucks. But we're gonna try and make the best of it.
I want some sun.
She wants some sun and she wants to not have to wear a jacket. Yeah, my mom's tripping.
And I'm retired, I don't need to take this.
I know y'all heard that. She's a retired woman and she shouldn't have to be here in the winter as a retired woman. Okay? So y'all make sure to tell the universe that we're over this crap. And we want to go visit our lovely island in the sun and go see my uncle. Okay? That's another thing. My uncle was supposed to be here this year, but he would have been here for a couple of months. Didn't even get that. Everything that we wanted to do this year didn't happen. But such is life. She's not about this camera life, guys. She doesn't realize you gotta put the camera out.
Take it off from me.
Anyway, guys, we did a little Michael's damage. Yeah, she's look at her. I tried, guys. I tried to get her on camera. This is all you're gonna get for the rest of Vlogmas. She's not about that camera life. Say bye. This is not the weather for this. She said this is not the weather to vlog. It's too cold and her jacket is heavy. So see y'all later. Someday when trees have shed their leaves, and against the morning's white, the shivering birds beneath the eaves have sheltered for the night, we'll turn our faces southward, love towards the summer isle, where bamboos spire the shafted groove, and the wide-mouthed orchid smile. We will seek the quiet hills, where towers the cotton tree, and leaps the laughing crystal reel, and works the droning bee. We will build a cottage there, beside an open glade, with black ribs, bluebells blowing near, and ferns that never fade. So guys, I finally got a collection of selected poems by Claude McKay, and I am enjoying it. This is the second one I read on here, and this is called After the Winter, and it's perfect because it is a winter storm today, and I thought this was just a good way to indulge in some of his poems. I actually enjoy his poems, especially the ones that are not familiar to me, that I'm like enjoying. Jasmine, I absolutely love Jasmine, which I did in the video when I spoke about his work. And yeah, guys, you should definitely check out this collection. It is very small, but it has a lot of poems in here, and the font, the layout is perfect. It's definitely a collection I think you guys should add if you are a poetry lover. And yeah, I'm in awe of his work, and definitely encourage you to read his stuff. So yeah, so we are going to do some reading, and I'm gonna order out because I'm not cooking today, because since we're gonna be snowing tomorrow, I might as well wait till tomorrow and cook. And it was like not so bad going out today. It felt weird being out. Didn't enjoy most of it because I actually had to go to the supermarket. That was just, no, I'm not a fan of the supermarket here. It was definitely crowded, and I'm not used to that. Where I lived, the supermarket, you got space, and it was just, I was a little shocked to see that many people in a supermarket during this time. You couldn't pay me to go back to that supermarket. I will be, somebody better go, or we just gonna be ordering, and I'm okay with that. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. Plus I love my bonding time with my mother. Yeah, so yeah, and also because of the storm, my bed will not be here until Monday. The couch life, guys. But oh, cleaning project, not quite done. I think I'm gonna try and finish it tomorrow, since I can't go nowhere. Even though I didn't intend on going anywhere, but still. So yeah, in the next one. All right.